Venture capital is the fuel behind many of the world's biggest tech companies. Let's look at how this high-stakes investment world operates. At its core, venture capital is funding provided by firms to startups that show high potential for massive growth. Billions of dollars are deployed every year into private companies. This is a massive segment of the private equity market. The process moves from fundraising and sourcing to deep due diligence, ultimately aiming for an exit through an acquisition or public listing. Unlike a bank loan which requires repayment with interest, venture capital involves trading equity for cash, meaning no debt is owed. Venture capital is incredibly risky. Most startups fail, so investors rely on one or two massive winners to cover the losses of the rest. Beyond just the check, the real value of a venture capital firm is often the network and guidance they bring to the founders. Venture capital drives innovation, but it is not for the faint of heart. Subscribe for more money basics and remember to invest wisely.